Hello there, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Center in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we actually just got this truck in. I wanted to do a quick video and share it with you. What this is a 2015 GMC Sierra. It is the Denali dually. So you're talking about something that will pull, this will be the answer to that. So I'm going to do a very quick walk around on it, show you the outside, the exterior. Then we'll take a little peek on the inside of it. It does have leather interior. You can see here it does have the chrome running boards on it, but there's your Denali emblems. Let me back off because this is a long truck. I want to show you the body on this. Appears to be in very, very good condition. So let me walk back here. We'll show you the rear end of this truck. It does have a backup camera that you'll notice is right here. Go ahead. It is a power assist tailgate. So we'll go ahead and put this back up. Continue with our walk around. This does have the 6.6 liter turbo engine in it, Duramax. Go down here and we'll show you the tread on this is actually very good condition. So let me go ahead, I'm going to open the back. So you're talking about plenty of space for people to go in here. Everything's to be in very good condition. No visible rips, tears. Headliner is in great condition. It does have a sunroof up here. I do have the shade pulled back to let the sun come in. Carpet's in very good condition. Door panel, so we'll go ahead and get up front. Here you notice we do have power assist seats, and it does have a 2 setting for your seats. There's your controls. So I'll get back and I'll show you a little brief video of the interior. So let's go ahead and hop up in. Let me go ahead and get this thing fired up. Do a little quick panoramic view with the camera. Turn the fan speed down. That way you'll be able to hear well. So let's start up here with the steering wheel. You can see you do have multiple controls on both sides, including Bluetooth capability for your audio. We'll come up here on the instrument cluster, give you a little bit better view of that. And we'll go over on this side, you'll see your control for your 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive, lights, additional settings here. But we'll scroll over here. This does have cooled seats. While I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and click that thing on. You do have the same thing for the passenger side. But here you have an 8-inch LCD command center. Controls for your audio. This does have a Bose stereo system in it. Additional controls down here. Now right in this area you see you've got USB ports. So you've got plenty of charging capabilities in this truck. Go over here and we'll show you it's got a very nice chrome plated cup holder, 2 cups. Open this, is your storage capacity. Black leather interior. Sunroof. I'll go ahead and close the shade so if you want to keep the sun off of you. For right now I'm going to go ahead and open that, and you can see the Denali embroidery. Pan around to the back seat. You do have the center armrest that will unfold, but once again everything is in very good condition. Appears to be in very good condition on this truck. As far as accessories, it does have navigation. Click on that right there. It'll pull up your nav, your telephone to Bluetooth, and your audio system. It does have backup camera, so I'm going to go ahead and put my foot on the brake, drop it down in reverse. There you see the backup camera. just engaged. So that's fantastic when you talk on a longer truck like this for the extra safety. But it's a fantastic truck. We've got it priced accordingly. I think we have a very fair price on this truck. Financing, we've got multiple lenders that are actually very eager to lend money on this. So if you want to get pre-approved, you can actually do that online at our website. And you know, many options we have with no money down, low money down, very good terms on this. So this will actually make somebody a very nice truck. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and our telephone number is area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.